Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome outdoors. We have a window from the raining. It's pretty hot though. I and Arish, we are riding our electric scooters today. Arish is doing some slingshotting. Slingshot practice, not slingshotting. And I'm gonna fly the FW200 from FlyWing. To answer that question, why I don't do 3D, complete manual 3D with this helicopter. So let's fly it and let me answer it during flight. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Throttle to center. Armed. And let it take off. Okay, seems like now it locked all the GPS satellites. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to full manual and try not to crash it. But before that, let's try auto acro.
Acro mode. 1 minute.
So up, down. Up, down. All right. And come down a little. Sideways. Sideways. All right, and I'm just gonna come down and go full 3D after landing. Hold on. So this is full manual. Arish, take a distance, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at that. One, the motor slightly bogging. I don't know why. Here we go, and I'm just trying to do my routine TikToks. Oh, that was close, Arish. I saw it. I can do my routines, but I can tell you, it's kind of sluggish and sometimes do a kind of move that I really don't want. And I have to do some extra stick moves to make it stable and come there where I want it to be. Look at that. So that is the reason, people, that I actually do not do 3D, full manual 3D with this helicopter, except some flip-flops, side ones, because no matter what I do, I find it that somehow there is some that unwanted sluggish movement in this helicopter that I don't want. And that is the reason I am just limited to flying GPS. So I'm just gonna go there.
Return to home.
And return to home. Oh, where are you going? I said return to home, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful, there is some unwanted things going on today. Oh, I saw that. That was close. So I'll just keep it here. It's beeping. And give Arish one last chance to hit it. Come on. Make sure to have a stance that I teach you, okay? Ready? Go. Oh, you missed it. All right, I'm gonna land now. What? It just jumped down itself. I mean, really, the helicopter, I mean, for beginners, it's really nice. People can fly in, you know, GPS mode, do auto aerobatics. But hey, full manual, I'm still not very happy to do full manual. It's still a good helicopter, I would say. I'll do some more tweaking on it and see if I can tame it the way I want. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right